Okay, so this is how to replace a PCV valve on a 2014 Nissan Sentra. First thing, remove. Oh, I hate this thing. Stupid engine cover. Oh. Oh. Pop that off. That's the hardest part of the job. And the PCB is right there. I just took it off earlier. Did the little rattle test. It made rattle noises. It's usually a good sign. And then I blew in it, and there's a lot of blow. It's supposed to be a one-way valve, pretty much. And the new one's different. So it's a 23 millimeter socket or wrench, plastic into a plastic valve cover. When I looked at the factory service manual, it said it was over here on the intake, and it's not. So PCV is always on the block or the head, and there'll be a hose going to the intake where it'll burn the positive crankcase ventilation, basically the unburnt gases. So it makes the noise, but when you blow on it, blow pretty good that way, blow a lot that way. With the new one, barely blow one way. Why did I put that in my mouth again? I just took that off and cleaned it a couple hours ago. So here's the new one and the old one. So I noticed online the dealer sells these online on eBay. Some of the dealers sell them for like 25 bucks. I got this one for 21 at O'Reilly's. And this is the O'Reilly brand. Where's my glasses? I think it was 21 bucks in stock. AutoZone didn't have it in stock. Made in China. Distributed by Ozark. There's the part number. Actually said something else on the website, but okay. And also the Nissan one, I was going to get a dealer one for 25, but the dealer one, they want an extra 11 bucks for the O-ring. 25 for the valve. Can you see this? I'm not going to lubricate the valves, the O-ring. So this engine's been running perfect when I drive. It's my daughter's car, but she said occasionally it'll hesitate or something, which I haven't been able to replicate. I just cleaned the throttle body. It was pretty nasty because the idle was erratic. The idle was really rough, and it was really, took the whole throttle body off and cleaned it. And it had a huge black carbon ring, really bad. The engine's got 160,000, so I cleaned that really good with some Scotch-Brite. And I'm just going to do this by my finger tight. There we go. And that idle's perfect again. Oh, yeah. Okay, the only thing I've done to this engine since we bought it is the spark plugs. There's a video on that. And I think I changed the belt. Yeah, I changed the belt, but I didn't change the idler. I bought it, but I didn't change it because it was too hard. I'll change that next. Change the oil and training fluid. There we go. And there we go. There's a rag. Lost my rag. You should only leave that in the pretty easy PCV valve. Swap out. How long will that take?